Hey guys, Adam Rose, Vice President and Senior Loan Officer of Western Ohio Mortgage here in Sydney, Ohio. Today is another episode of the Mortgage Guide podcast, and today I just wanted to do an update on what we're doing at the Ohio Mortgage Bankers Association. We have our upcoming convention June 14th through the 16th, so if you are a loan officer, if you are in the industry at all, and you want to join us, this is going to be the biggest convention we've ever had. We are anticipating well over 200 attendees. Typically speaking, they're usually anywhere from 100 to 130, and so it's going to be a huge event. We are finishing that up, and we're bringing you quite a powerful lineup. It's not like your traditional conventions. You know, a lot of times when you go into these state conventions, you're in one giant room. You have session after session after session. People are coming in and out. We decided to design this a little bit differently because when I took over as president of the Ohio Mortgage Bankers, one of the things I wanted to do was give a value add to our membership to make sure they're getting everything out of it that they possibly can. And we've changed so much over the last 12 months. And this convention specifically is designed almost like classwork and involvement and collaboration more than anything, more than being spoken at, if that makes sense. All right. Anyways, Sunday, we will be kicking it off June 14th. We are going big to start. So Bill Cosgrove, the sole owner of Union Home Mortgage, is going to be our kickoff speaker. And he also is the partial owner of the Tampa Bay Rays. That's how big he has grown his independent mortgage banking operation from start back in the late 90s to now. It's quite impressive. We know a lot of people over at Union Home, great people over there. And he's a fantastic speaker and a great business leader to represent our industry. And then that will be followed by a tech CEO, of which we're not going to reveal quite yet. And then we're going to have a big old party Sunday night. And then Monday and Tuesday is the real meat of it all, right? We are going to have 7 different breakout sessions. Well, 7 sessions, right? And they're all breakout sessions. We're going to have 3 breakout sessions per time slot. So we're going to have 21 sessions involved. And a massive range between what you can hear about, but anything from salespeople, ops, owners, you name it, how to navigate what's coming down the pike for the mortgage industry, credit, AI, everything, political landscapes. Yours truly will be involved in 2 specific breakout sessions. I will be leading Talent Wars, which is going to be searching, finding talented LOs, how to keep them, how to find them, attract them. Things like that. We're going to have a full panel from Prime Lending. Huntington National Bank's going to be on that panel with me. And it's going to be a lot of conversations around that. Again, this is not going to be designed to be spoken at you. It's going to be a discussion on our experiences, what we do, and open it up to the floor. It's a collaboration effort. So we can all bring it home together here. So, and then I'm also going to be doing the political landscape, what's going on in Ohio, what Ohio lenders specifically need to be on the lookout for in the next 12 months or so and moving down the road, especially with midterms coming up, what that looks like for the state of Ohio and the mortgage industry. On Monday also, we will have Bob Brokesmith. He is the CEO of the National Mortgage Bankers Association. I don't think he actually has ever attended a state organization. We made the request, and he answered the call. That is huge. He is in D.C. He is helps with all of our political advocacy on the Hill. And it's going to be fantastic having him there as well. We have Steve Richmond on an individual session. He's a nationally renowned coach and strategist in the mortgage industry and other industries as well, of course. And we also have a keynote speaker, Maurice Clarett. I know that sounds weird, right? But Ohio State running back national champion Maurice Clarett. He's going to be talking about resilience and reinvention. We all know his story, if you're an Ohio State fan at least, or a college football fan. How he was a true freshman running back, led the Ohio State Buckeyes to a national championship, and just fell off the wagon, right? Just had a lot of issues, had a lot of hopes for a great NFL career, made some bad choices, and moved on from that. And he's now working, I believe, on affordable housing issues with Jim Tressel, if I'm not mistaken. So he's going to tell his story. He's going to talk about what he did, how he came back from it, how he reinvented himself, what he's doing now. And he's also going to hang around for a little bit, do a book signing. So that's going to be fantastic. We have a great dinner on Monday night, and then Tuesday we close it down by lunchtime. So it's going to be a fantastic convention. If you're watching this, guys, if you're an LO, CEO, it doesn't matter. There's going to be something for everybody at this convention. I highly, highly encourage you to sign up, register. We also have a tech demo session. Right now we have about 4 tech companies that are going to be doing a demo, so you can see all their stuff that they have to offer in lieu of you having to set individual meetings and feel this odd pressure of trying to buy. So that's going to be a fantastic add to this year's convention. So I wanted to hit on that. So again, that's June 14th through the 16th. Go to the Ohio Mortgage Bankers website, and you can register right there. If you're a large company, you want to do some sponsorships, there's plenty of sponsorships out there. Check it out. We're looking forward to see you guys in June. Again, we have a ton of people already registered, and we got a month to go. So we're anticipating well over 200 people to attend this event. So it's going to be exciting. Last thing I wanted to mention, again, this isn't even a market update for clientele, but if you are an LO, if you are a small branch, an independent operation out there, if you are a broker, if you are a realtor, and you've got an LO that you love so much, but you're sick of their company, well, of course, we're always hiring, right? But I wanted to talk about this very, very briefly. I'm a top producer in the state of Ohio and nationally. I'm in the top 1%. So that is coming from a small company. A lot of people think they need this large national brand, and it's just not the case. It can be done anywhere. And I don't talk about this enough, but to help new people coming into the industry, or, I don't know, LOs that aren't quite living up to their possible potential or want to do more. I have personally, myself and my business coach, created this about a 50-page document. It's the 90-day onboarding plan for loan officers that include all my marketing strategies, everything that I've done since I started, how to do it. It is intentional. It is organized. It goes by phases, and if you follow this plan specifically, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to be successful in this industry. I finally just put it on paper, all right, because I can't be with people every day of the week, every moment of the day. It is on paper for a plan for LOs to follow, and they will be successful if they follow this plan. I can guarantee you. It still has some tweaks that I'm going to put into it, but it's fantastic. So, guys, if you know an LO that's struggling, if you know an LO that needs to make a change, if you're a small branch operation that you just want to give up all the admin stuff on the backside, and you want to join a family-owned, regionally based mortgage company, give us a call. All right, all of our contact information is at the bottom of the screen. We'd love to hear from you. Love to have a conversation with you. See if we can help you be more successful in the industry. But that's all I got this week, guys. In a couple of weeks, I'll bring out a new video. I'll make sure I do some more market updates. There's a lot of stuff happening out there. Not all good, but we'll keep you up to date, of course, on what's going to happen there. But I just wanted to bring the OMBA Convention up. I wanted to bring up this 90-day onboarding plan, and I do have from 91 days and on. Don't worry, you're not stuck after the fact. But, guys, check us out on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. It is free. Apple Podcasts and Spotify. We'll catch you all next week.